A very good afternoon to one and all present here today. I, K. Podar, stand here to present a topic, applications of e-commerce. These four are my topic for e-banking, e-shopping, e-entertainment and online ticketing. Let's start with the first one, which is e-banking. E-banking is normally known as electronic banking, which is like online banking. For example, earlier days we have to go to the bank to issue a check or to know our bank statement. But now through online banking, we can easily get our bank statement through online mode. We can view our statement anytime. We can issue a check at any point of time. We can even transfer from one bank to another bank easily through e-banking. The next one is e-shopping. Online shopping has been made very easy in today's generation. From one click, we can order anything we want. There are so many websites, there are so many apps through which we can order whatever we want. Anything nowadays has been very easy to order. In e-shopping, we can see and like whatever we want, and we can place the order, and we get it within a span of 2-3 days, and we are fully not fully, but we are partially satisfied with the delivery systems. Now the next one is e-entertainment. Online entertainment has also been made very easy through internet connections and all. We can view any movies, any shows, whatever we want at any point of time. There is no need to be waiting at any point of time. We can view sitting in our homes. We can comfortably watch anything we want. For example, movies, books, anything. The last and the final one will be online ticketing. While sitting at home, we can easily book a ticket of any at any platform. For example, by our IRCTC, we can book the tickets for the train, and while many apps like Book My Show, we can book the tickets for movie watching and for the different shows like live shows. Anyone who is performing in our city or in our country, we can know it by just by looking at it, and if we are interested, we can easily book on it. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.